We're making keto chocolate eclairs with no flour. Let's go! Let me start by saying why I think this keto chocolate eclair recipe is amazing. It has no flour in it, no baking powder or baking soda. That's right, no almond and no coconut flour. That means they're going to be lower in carbs than any other keto chocolate eclair recipe. And if you have a nut allergy or you've cut out all flours out of your diet, you can enjoy this lovely treat. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. So you are probably wondering, well, how can we make a profiterole without flour? We're going to be using egg whites and whip them up to stiff peaks to help us get a soft but fluffy result. Then we will make a cream cheese filling and melt some sugar-free chocolate. Now, because of the unique ingredient combination, we're going to get a thinner eclair. But the good thing there is that you won't have to slice it. Aside from all this detail, the most important thing is the taste. And everyone who's tasted my keto chocolate eclairs cannot taste a difference. Let's get into the recipe now. To a mixing bowl, separate out 3 eggs. And you're going to add the yolks to your NutriBullet, and your egg whites go into your mixing bowl. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. It's about a generous pinch. This is Cream of Tartar, also 1/8 teaspoon. Whisk this until you get stiff peaks. While you've got your egg whites going, add 71 grams of softened cream cheese to your egg yolks and blend this until completely smooth. After your first mix, it's going to be super lumpy, so you're going to need to maybe clean down the sides and also the bottom as well, and I'm just doing that. And then I'm going to continue with this process until I have a smooth consistency. Add your cream cheese, egg yolk mixture to a bowl. Add a bit of the egg whites and fold them in. Add a bit more and then you're going to fold in. We are gently folding in because, as you have noticed, there's no raising agents in this recipe, aka baking powder or baking soda. So we're using the air that's in the egg whites as a raising agent, and you don't want to flatten that out with it using a mixer or being too robust with your folding. That's the last of my egg whites, and I'm going to continue to fold. That's my batter ready. There are a bit of lumps in there, but I think that's from the egg whites. Now I'm going to transfer this to a glass jug, and then I'm going to pour it into a little muffin tray. This is a standard muffin tray which makes 12s, but you could also opt for a mini muffin tray that makes 24. Bake your keto chocolate eclairs at 355 degrees Fahrenheit or 182 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. You can go a bit longer, up to 15, but keep an eye on them. They should be a little bit golden. Then reduce the oven temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius and go for another 10 minutes. This is what it looks like after it's been in the oven and then cooled. And I just want to show you what to expect. Let me grab a couple from different places. They are quite thin, and I kind of like that because you don't have to cut them, and they're really soft. Just like a chocolate eclair. All we're going to do is prepare a filling and have them connect. To make the filling, add a teaspoon of sweetener, 57 grams of cream, and I hope you can notice I'm doing this in the NutriBullet. and 57 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix until you have a smooth but thick consistency. I'm pretty happy with that. It's thick. I hope you can tell the consistency, but that's brilliant. Add the filling to 6 or half of the portion that you made. Add the lid. Top it off with some melted chocolate. Don't they look so gorgeous, and they're actually amazing. I really hope you get to try them. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.